Effortlessly blend short hair with a half wig for a flawless look. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here because today we will be sharing how to effortlessly blend short hair with a half wig for a flawless look. Imagine flawless, salon-ready hair in minutes. No need for hours of styling or complicated tools. Whether you're new to wigs or a seasoned pro, learning to blend short hair with a half wig unlocks endless styling possibilities. Ready to master this game-changing technique? Let's dive into your ultimate hair transformation. Your journey to effortless blending starts with picking the perfect half wig. Choose a texture and color that complements your natural hair for a seamless look. Bonus tip? Go for high-quality synthetic or human hair wigs. They blend better and last longer, making them worth the splurge. Consider length and volume too. If you're aiming for a natural finish, a wig close to your hair length works best. Looking for drama? A longer, fuller wig will make a statement while staying chic. Before blending begins, prepare your short hair. Start by moisturizing it to ensure smooth application. Next, braid or slick back the front section that will be blended, leaving the remaining hair secured underneath for a flat base. Don't skip this. It sets the foundation for a flawless transition. If your hair is too short to braid, no problem. Use a simple headband method, tucking away stray strands while allowing the wig to do the heavy lifting. This prep work ensures your style looks sleek and polished. Now, for the fun part. Place the half wig at the crown of your head, aligning it with where your natural hair ends. Use built-in combs or wig clips to secure the wig firmly, avoiding gaps between your hair and the wig edge. For additional security, add bobby pins around the edges of the wig. This ensures everything stays in place, whether you're headed to work, an event, or dancing the night away. Confidence starts with a well-secured style. Here's where the magic happens. Gently fluff and blend your natural hair into the wig using your fingers or a wide-tooth comb. Focus on seamlessly covering any visible wig edges. For defined styles, use a curling wand or flat iron to marry your hair's texture with the wig. If needed, a lightweight styling gel or edge control can smooth down flyaways and create a sleek finish. A trick? Tease the hair around the wig line lightly for a more natural flow. No one will guess it's not all yours. Once blended, style your hair to match your vibe. Slick it back for a chic, professional look, or go bold with a voluminous twist-out effect. For extra effect, accessorize with headbands, scarves, or jeweled pins that accentuate your style while camouflaging the wig line even further. Want your wig to last? At the end of the day, remove it gently, detangle it, and store it properly. Caring for your wig ensures it stays fabulous for every wear and extends its lifespan. And there you have it, a flawless hair transformation achieved in just a few simple steps. Whether you're embracing natural textures or turning heads with glamorous lengths, blending short hair with a half wig is your ticket to confidence. Ready to upgrade your hair game? Subscribe now for more styling tips, join our beauty workshops for hands-on training, and share your stunning transformations with us. Don't just blend, own your beauty like a pro. Let's slay together.